Okay, good morning everyone. It's our last day today and it's time for a swim. Peppo, Peppo. Okay, this is my lunch for today before we fly back to Singapore. Chicken, veggie and curry. And this is having roti telur.
Yeah.
No, they call it roti telur here,
roti
not
telur.
prata telur. Okay. Alright, let's eat. Yes! Yay! Okay, so our trip ends today, so we are going back to KKIA, some 8.4 km, 14 minutes. Anyway, we clocked a good 647.2 kilometers during our stay here. So, yay! Alright, so are we ready to go back home?
Okay.
Okay, see you back in Singapore.
This flight will take 2 hours 25 minutes. For your safety, your large carry items must be placed in your overhead compartment and small carry items